Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code for Vudu.com. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is head on over to Vudu.com, and now for this demonstration I'm just going to pick a random video. Alright, once Vudu.com loads, I'm going to click onto movies. Alright, I'm going to choose The Beast Within, so I can either rent or purchase this video. So for this demonstration I'm going to go ahead and click on rent. Now what it will do, if you haven't logged in, you need to log in or to sign up. Once you've done that, you'll get taken to the checkout page where you can rent or buy the video, and then on that page just put in the promo code and then click apply, and then whatever that amount on the promo code is will be deducted off of the overall price of that movie, and then continue your checkout using your credit card, Visa card details.